Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to open an account on HSBC Bank. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing we need to do here is we need to visit their website. So go ahead and open up any browser, go to us.hsbc.com, and from here the next thing that we want to do is we need to look for the type of account that you want to open. In this case, you need to determine what type of account. So currently we have checking here, savings, credit card, and home loans. Now in this case, if you want to open up a checking account here, click on checking. And from here, it's going to load up another page wherein you need to basically read further into it. Now sometimes if they have actually plans or offers, you should be able to see it here. But currently they have HSBC Premier Checking here, so let's go ahead and click on it. Now on the next page, what we need to do next is we need to scroll down a bit until we see the section here that says apply now. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on apply now. And from here, it's going to ask you a few information about yourself. So currently it's going to say where you currently located. So in this case, let's go ahead and just answer this one. So maybe I want to say I'm currently located in Australia, and from here, are you planning to live in the US? So let's go ahead and click on yes, and from here, on what day are you planning to move to the US? So this is just an example, so go ahead and enter the day here, and what accounts are you applying for? So currently we are looking for a Premier Checking account, so let's go ahead and click on it, and from here, check your eligibility to apply online. So currently, I'm currently located in one of the following countries, and I'm at least 18 years old and applying for an individual deposit account. So go ahead and answer all those details. From here, please select the statement below that best describes you. So I am employed in the US, and from here, you need to provide the following information. So you need to tell about yourself on this application here. You need to verify your identity. So in this case, you need to take a photo, provide IDs, as well as upload your documents. Now, this process is going to take a whole 20 minutes. So in this case, just click on Start Application, fill out all necessary details, provide any required documentation, and from there, just follow the steps and submit your documents. And from then, HSBC would actually reach out to you if your account has been set up. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.